Did you know that tree stems can move and uplift themselves? Usually they grow vertically to capture as much sunlight as possible, but when they're growing on a slope, for example, they can lean and tilt. But trees can lift themselves up by tension wood production. This birch here has produced tension wood. Tension wood forms on the upper side of the leaning stem. Under the microscope we can stain it and you see it as blue. The blue color comes from cellulose layers in the fibers. Cellulose is made of chains of glucose and glucose can be used for bioethanol production. Identifying the signal that stimulates cellulose and tension wood production can help us engineer trees for bioethanol production. Leaning induces production of ethylene, so we made trees that cannot sense ethylene and tried whether they would lift differently. The tree on the left can sense ethylene and lifts more, the tree on the right cannot sense ethylene and lifts less. Now we know that ethylene is important and we are looking for the molecular link between ethylene and cellulose production.